This week in math class, we are going to be talking about counting groups of coins. You can learn about the value of money. Each type of coin and bill has a different value. Value is a synonym for worth. How much is it worth? What's its value? You can easily identify the penny. It's copper in color and looks different than our other coins. But sometimes it's hard for us to recognize the differences between the nickel and dime, and sometimes people even mix up the nickel and the quarter. So look carefully at our coins here. Our nickel has a value of 5 cents. You can see the front of the nickel here and the back. When we're holding the nickel in our hand, we know that it's thick and fat compared to the dime that's little and thin. But on paper, we have to be able to look at the pictures and identify them. Here's our dime. Our dime has a value of 10 cents. There's the front and the back of the dime. And then our quarter. Our quarter here, there isn't a back listed because there are lots of different quarters. Each state has their own quarter. There's all kinds of quarters. Maybe if you ask your mom and dad, they can show you a couple of quarters that you guys have at your home and see how they're different. Bills, just like coins, have different values. You know that this is a $1 bill because of the ones located in the corners here. There are also $5 bills, $10 bills, 20s, 50s, and hundreds. Every $1 bill is the same as 100 cents. So if I took 100 of these pennies, it would have the same value as this $1 bill. We have a couple of students here. They each have 5 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we want to know which child has the most cents, whose coins have the most value. We're going to start off with Lee. Lee has 5 pennies. Each penny is worth 1 cent. So when we count his coins, we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. His coins have a value of 5 cents. When we look at Seth, Seth has 5 nickels. Each nickel is worth how much? 5 cents is correct. So because they're each worth 5 cents, we have to skip count by 5 to figure out how much he has here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Seth, even though he has 5 coins just like Lee, he has more value. He has 25 cents. Jack has a different coin. Jack has dimes. He has 5 dimes. When we count his dimes, we would say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So even though each of them have 5 coins, they all have a different value for their coins. The question I want you to answer is, who has the most cents? Explain how you know. Here are their coins again. Which student has the most cents? Explain how you know. Send me that answer back.